beauties, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today I am back with a summer try-on haul and I'm so excited. I actually just finished filming a video. I was finally able to go shopping after like 5 long months. I was like in heaven. I was like shopping and it was just an amazing experience going back after so long and after doing so much like online shopping. I was able to finally experience the whole like shopping experience again. So I ended up getting a few items from Express and then a couple items from like Free People and I think like some other random things. So I hope you enjoy this video. I'll leave you all the links to the clothes and items mentioned in the video down below as well as in my blog FABIOLAG.com. So that being said, let's go ahead and move on to the try on haul.
I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got this day forever. Do you hear that sound? Can you feel the music? Let's get wild. We're magic, you and I. They call us reckless, but we don't mind. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance our problems away in the night. Love being right next to you. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of
So that was it for my try on haul. I really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below which outfit was your favorite and I will see you all next time. Bye!